Hey, health enthusiasts! Leo M here from Health Spiffy, and today we're delving into the world of pears. Yes, those juicy, sweet fruits that often grace our fruit bowls. But did you know they're not just a tasty treat? Join me as we explore the amazing benefits of pears, and why they're particularly great for pregnant women. Spoiler alert, it's not just about the delicious crunch. Segment 1. The Nutrient Powerhouse. Let's kick things off with the nutrient lineup of pears. These unassuming fruits pack a punch in the nutrition department. Packed with dietary fiber, vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants, pears are like a nutrient treasure chest. Fiber, your digestive system's best friend, keeps things moving smoothly, while vitamin C and antioxidants are like a shield, protecting your cells from harm. Segment 2. Gut-friendly goodness. Now, let's talk about gut health, because, folks, it's where it all begins. The fiber content in pears promotes a healthy digestive system by adding bulk to your stool and keeping things regular. It's like giving your gut a high five and saying, "Thanks for all the hard work." Segment 3. Heart-healthy heroes. Pear aficionados, rejoice! Your heart is in for a treat. The potassium in pears plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. It's like a gentle whisper to your heart, saying, "Stay calm, I've got this." A happy heart is a healthy heart, and pears contribute to the symphony of cardiovascular wellness. Segment 4. Pregnancy Powerhouse. Now, let's zoom in on the spotlight topic, pears and pregnancy. Pregnant women, listen up. Pears offer a nutritional bounty that can be a game-changer during those crucial months. The folate content is a superhero, contributing to the baby's neural development. It's like laying down the foundation for a healthy brain, right from the start. Segment 5. Morning Sickness Alley. Morning sickness, the not-so-fun part of pregnancy. But fear not. Pears might just be your ally. Their mild flavor and high water content make them a soothing option for combating nausea. It's like a refreshing pause button for those queasy moments. Segment 6. Hydration Hero. Staying hydrated is a universal key to health, but it's especially crucial during pregnancy. Pears, with their high water content, contribute to your daily hydration goals. It's like sipping on nature's own hydrating elixir, delicious and good for you. Segment 7. Immune System Support. Immune support is always essential, but even more so during pregnancy. The vitamin C in pears steps in as a reliable sidekick, boosting your immune system and helping your body ward off infections. It's like giving your immune system a little extra muscle to flex. Segment 8. Energy Boost. Pregnancy often comes with its share of fatigue, but fear not, moms-to-be. Pears, with their natural sugars and carbohydrates, provide a wholesome energy boost. It's like a natural pick-me-up, helping you sail through those busy days with a smile. Segment 9. Blood Health Buddy. Iron is a crucial player during pregnancy, and pears contribute to your iron intake. While they may not be the superhero of iron-rich foods, every bit helps. It's like having a supportive friend nudging you towards a healthy blood supply for both you and your baby. Segment 10. Versatility in your diet. Pears aren't just a one-trick pony. They're incredibly versatile in the kitchen. From fresh snacks to salads, smoothies, and even desserts, there's a multitude of ways to incorporate pears into your diet. It's like having a culinary companion that adds a touch of sweetness to every dish. Segment 11. Choosing and storing pears. Now, let's get practical. Choosing the right pears and storing them correctly ensures you reap all these fantastic benefits. Look for pears that are firm but yield slightly to pressure. Store them at room temperature until they ripen, then transfer to the fridge to keep them fresh for longer. It's like ensuring your nutritional investment pays off in the long run. Segment 12. In conclusion. And there you have it, folks. The amazing benefits of pears, with a spotlight on their perks for pregnant women. Whether you're an expecting mom or just a pear enthusiast, incorporating these fruits into your diet can contribute to a healthier, more vibrant you. If you found this exploration into the world of pears as fascinating as I did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more spiffy content, and share this video with friends who might be on a pear appreciation journey. Until next time, stay spiffy and stay healthy. Leo M., signing off from Health Spiffy. Cheers to a life enriched by the goodness of pears.